So, first of all, this hair is beautiful. So, first of all, this hair is beautiful. Okay, very beautiful. I did co-wash it and no product at all, guys. Yes, the hair is beautiful, but my method to install this wig is not giving what I want it to give, so yeah. Because my hair does sleek down pretty well, I'm going to go and add 2 ankle braids for this wig. Personally, I find that when I'm doing this method using the 2 braids, the wig is more secure and it does not slip. So that's just what I'm doing right here, and you guys will see how it looks once I'm done. This wig literally took me like less than 5 minutes to install. Even with me adding these 2 ankle braids, it still does not take a lot of time at all. Simply just put them in and then you clip on your wig and you are ready to go. All the information on this hair will be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. This V-part wig, completely no leave out style. Yes, it is very possible to achieve. Even if you wanted some leave out, you can literally use minimum and it'll still look flawless. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and comment down below. Do you have a V-part wig? Does this wig make you want one? I don't know. Chat it up. Talk to me in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. But as always, until next time, bye guys.